Chapter 5, Staffing. A definition of nature and staffing. Staffing is the process of hiring, training, and managing employees to ensure that right people are in the right roles. It involves determining human resources needs, recruiting, selecting, training, and retaining staff. The nature of staffing is dynamic as a response to organization growth, changes, and workforce development. Recruitment. Recruitment is the process of attracting qualified candidates for a job opening within an organization. It can be internal or external. Effective recruitment ensures a pool of skills and candidates. Selection. Selection involves evaluating candidates through interview, test, and reference check to choose the best fit individual for their roles. It aims match qualification and skills with job requirements. Training and development. Training focuses on improving employees' current job promises, job performance, while develop aims to preparing for them future roles, both are critical for enhancing skills, job satisfaction, and career growth. Compensation, wage, and performance evaluation appraisal. Compensation refers to salary, benefits, and bonuses. Performance evaluation involves assessing employees' performance to reward achievements and identify areas for improvements. Relation. Employee relation focuses on maintaining positive relationships between employee and management, addressing grievances, and ensuring a harmonious work of environment. Employee movements. Employee movements include promotions, transfer, demotion, or separation. Reward system. Reward systems are designed to motivate employees through monetary incentives, regulation, and non-financial reward, such as career growth or opportunities and work-life balance benefits.